Yeah, let's go. I forgot to buy my items. I forgot to buy my items.
Minions have spawned.
Nani? Whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on now. Oh, Nani? Why?
Dispatch these worms.
Well, actually, he is, but you know. What the heck? Did you just throw a snowball at me? What? Did you get scared? You fucking bitch. God damn.
My destination is absolute.
Did you use your ghost? Tell me you didn't. Okay. Yeah. It looked like it did. You're like going speedy fast. Oh gosh. Wait, whoa, you get ghosts when you get out of spawn now? That didn't happen before.
My bird is hungry.
Oh. Oh, what's this sound? Do 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 do. Nothing. I have to practice. That's why. Damn. Wait. Oh. Wait, hold on. I gotta get some stuff. Yeah, dude. Damn.
When that 40 in, when that dream team all played out and they hit the bench.
Nani? Oh my god. Wait. I'm ready now. I'm ready. I have my full build. Yeah, dude. Boiled. I'm almost slow now. What the fudge? you mean? Why not? Jinxed it? Nani. I don't even know what does it do? What does that do? Let me read it. Let me read it. Wait. Wait, hold on. I have to read?
My thoughts exactly. I'm 5 steps ahead.
Yep. You get wrecked. Wow, that hurt, man. That hurt. Not only like physically, but like emotionally. Why? What?
What do you guys? What does that even mean?
It means what? This is really awkward. Like, I don't know. It's just really awkward. That's all. Yeah. Are you Barry Allen, the fastest man alive?
I
don't even know what it does.
Jeez.
Does this do damage over time? Is that it? Damn. I'm sad. Oh. Wow, my turret doesn't even hit you. I'm sad. Oh. Huh? Wait. Oh wait. That would have been bad. Oh, Nani? Yeah, dude. Scaredy fish. Wait. No, no, I don't. My man! I was gonna jump away! Pig, man.
JD, sounds like you're getting wrecked.
No, actually, I'm winning. Oh, wait, I know why I'm losing, because you're a level higher than me. You have more runes and mastery. That is why. Sorry, what? Uh-oh. Let me love you. We need, yo, Josh, put some music, dude.
Why?
Turn that crunk up.
Because you know my music is good.
Yeah.
Okay, wow. Disrespectful.
Wait, that was like a high key roast? Is that a thing? High key?
I'll give the orders.
Yeah, what is that?
It's like when you pretend you don't mean to like hurt them, but you actually do. I don't know. Oh
You
gosh,
look like
this
a
is
bad
annoying.
potato.
I don't want to fight you today. I think I'm alive. Hi, Marion. Let the best man alive. Sorry. My bad.
If you insist.
Let me love you. Yeah. Watch this. I'm gonna juke you. Oh, oh, oh! You can't catch me. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. Come on closer, dude. Oh! Nope. No! Yes! I mean, if I had flash too, dude.
I wasn't all that good, still fairly decent game, just I got placed in silver 5.
I got placed in silver 5.
Like, you don't drop, you don't
Oh,
points, silver 1, so I think I got silver 5. Other than that, I didn't really have a set goal, so I was just like, oh, silver, that's better than bronze, okay. But what I've learned this season is that silver and bronze is still bronze. If you're in silver, you're still in bronze.
why are you? Why is he? Oh my gosh. They will catch me.
But climbing in bronze can be kind of hard, especially when some of the teams, like your teammates don't get along with you.
Are you triggered, dude? I should have went Tiz. Thank you, Fizz. Okay.
These are quality tips and tricks to get out of bronze.
What? Oh, okay. What? I can't get to you. There you go. What the heck?
So, I got placed in bronze 5 because I lost a bunch of deals
Huh?
with my duo partner, and I got placed in bronze 5. I was so mad. I didn't even want to play League for the rest of the weeks. I just stopped playing League for a while. Got back on, maybe because I started playing, and they were like, I don't even need to make it.
Oh, yo, I lagged out.
Summertime, which is June 5th for us.
Yo. Yeah. Oh, that's a good deal.
That's a good deal.
Efficient strategy.
I went from bronze. I climbed out of bronze 5, probably within 3 games to house. That's all it's gonna go to bronze 5. It's not bronze.
What?
I'm not sure we might have that AFK troll. It's not hard.
Get it.
We would have, okay, so a good example is one of my friends.
Dispatch these worms.
Try your best and you don't succeed.
201 games. Ranked.
Boy! Jesus Christ!
He's still in the bronze three, and I'm climbing the bronze one.
Mer, you mean?
He's still in bronze three because he's
You better kill yourself, boy. I'm coming in at Barry Allen speeds.
last season so he got
Oh my god. Alright. I have 72. Let me love you. Let me love you. Shoo-ba-doo-boop, ba-ba-ba, shoo-ba-doo-doop, ba-ba-ba.
This happens to me all the time. I will be okay. It's another good example.
What do you mean?
I know. When he goes on tilt, he just feels like playing.
Said my bones. It comes electric when I eat you and my balloon.
Every single game he gets more on tilt.
Right, dude? Crazy. Right? Is Fizz a late game champion? I'm not sure. Nah. So, I'm okay with that. Does he even do
My
stuff?
thoughts exactly.
I don't because I'm not crazy. I got a cool item, I think it's gonna help me.
My bird is
Swimmingly! It's a gunblade? Proto belt. What does it even? I mean, it looks cool.
both Noxus.
Oh damn, I'm sad.
I almost finished this vocabulary.
What? Dang it! I thought I had flash.
Victory awaits.
No. I bet you won't fight me under turret, dude. What's that?
My destination is
Oh, nani? Oh, okay. I don't know what I should get next. Do do do.
I'll be on like 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm almost done with it.
Just now.
If you insist.
I'll be on you.
Dude, check out this friggin'. Oh,
Your team has destroyed a turret.
damn. I better get into friggin'. I'm gonna go into ultra high speed movement. Oh man. Oh boy.
My thoughts exactly. My bird is hungry.
Is that Robert?
Okay, whatever. Okay.
I wonder if I'm gonna still die by you if I die right now. Kill me, minions! No! Okay. But I wanted to die so we can get the XP. The gold, the gold. Oh god. I never give up. Nah, 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 never do, 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 do. Oh wait. I have the perfect song for us right now. Is this the final showdown? Hold on. Wait, don't die. Don't do anything.
Are you guys boosting?
Boy. Nani? Yeah, dude.
After I'm done with the
Boy, when
game,
walking
I'm
is
gonna get
fucking
off.
OP.
I'm gonna play GTA.
When walking is OP. I'm not gonna let you friggin' play it.